Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
You know, just by watching the trailer, I am so overwhelmed with this kind of subject. I just have one question each to Diya and Bhavani. The first question to Diya is, so many years I've seen you in so many films, but the kind of impact which you are going to leave all over the country and the world will be much more with Kafir. And what kind of preparation you have to undergo as an actress to get into the skin of the character?
Tell them. And tell them what you used to say to Sonam also. Tell them how you used to complain. Tell.
मैं शॉट देने के लिए जाता था तो मैं देखता था कि वो नीचे बैठ के अपने नाखून के अंदर मिट्टी डाल रही हैं, तो मैं ऐसा देखता था कि ये नाखून में मिट्टी क्यों जा रही है, तो पता चलता था क्योंकि ये जो एक कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हैं, जो किरदार है, उसके नाखून थोड़े गंदे होने चाहिए, तो ये कोशिश करती थी कि उसके नाखून पूरी तरह गंदे हो जाएं। -1 के टेम्परेचर के ठंडे पानी में हम लोग शूट करते थे और ये पानी में चली जाती थी, तो हमें देख देख के लगता था कि भाई ये कहाँ जा रही हैं, थोड़ा सा इन्हें कोई रोक लो, तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी। बट ये इनकी डेडिकेशन है जो आज आपको दिख रही है।
मोहित जो कहा उसके अलावा क्या क्या इनपुट्स?
सर ऑनेस्टली मैं ये बार बार कह रही हूँ और सही वजह से कह रही हूँ कि जब आपका मटेरियल, रिटन मटेरियल इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है ना, तो फिर ज़्यादा कुछ समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती। कोशिश यही थी कि ठीक है, तो आपको मैं थोड़ी टेक्निकल चीज़ें शेयर करूँगी। वर्कशॉप किया मैंने, वर्कशॉप डायरेक्टर अतुल मोंगिया के साथ, क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कि क्योंकि ये एहसास और ये जो जर्नी है किरदार की, बहुत अंदरूनी है, बहुत कम बोलती है ये, उसका सब कुछ एहसास पर ही निर्भर है। तो कोशिश ये थी कि जो एहसास है उसको जागृत किया जाए, मतलब टू मेक इट रीच ऑप्टिमम लेवल्स। सो आई वुड मेडिटेट 2 times a day so that I was in the present moment at all times, especially within the scenes, because if I was not hearing what people were saying to me, if I was worrying about what I had to say, it would show. So the preparation really was to heighten my sensory perceptions and to take myself to a place where I could experience everything full on, which is why the tears would never stop, which is why we never needed the glycerine, which is why whether it was cold or hot, it didn't matter. The other thing was spending time with the co-actors and the director. And Mohit mentioned a connection and a bond, but I feel like we were destined to meet, and our connection was predestined. It took 11 years for Siddharth to tell this story. There is a reason why the universe chose us. I don't mean to be philosophical, I just genuinely believe it.
And how many days you worked on in the series?
We had 45 shooting days. 40? 40 shooting days. We've shot 8 episodes, and each episode is about 40 minutes long. That's like less time than we usually get to make a full-length feature, which is 1 hour 40 minutes long. So we did a lot in very little time.
And my next question to Bhavani. Bhavani, you have been a journalist with Stardust Group for so many years, and now you're becoming, or you already become a successful writer also. What difference do you find between your 2 different jobs? Earlier as a journalist, ferreting out the gossip from stars, and now as a writer who tries to get into the people's emotions.
Before that, there was one more role that I had. I was a copywriter with an ad agency.
Oh.
So there are 3 different kinds of writing that I've done. I was with Stardust for a very short time, actually about a year or so. The difference is that I was a very bad journalist because I could not ferret those stories out. I'm hoping I'm a better writer than I was a journalist.